So Spanish at the elementary level for lower and upper, we have two main goals that we want to accomplish with the children. One is obviously competency building, vocabulary, things of that nature. But the second part is we want them really motivated and invested in their Spanish learning. And so one of the ways that we try to achieve that is by tailoring the readings that we do with the older children. Once we get to know the children, we're able to tailor the subject matter in Spanish to match what they're expressed interest in. So for example, we have more than a handful of artists in our elementary program, and so we did a unit on digital art in Spanish, and we got to teach some of that vocab and have that buy-in and really see their faces light up when we were doing that portion of our work. Another really big thing that we do at the elementary level is our study of cultural events and holidays. For example, Dia de los Muertos. That was a really big project that we did last year, and our children took it in really wonderful directions, and they got really personal with their work and vulnerable with their work. And so those were really big moments of bravery that we saw with them, and I hope to continue to foster moments like that with our children.